Myself, M. Sureka, lecturer in physics, Government Degree College, Pittapuram. Today's topic is comma. This is nothing but it is a monochromatic aberration. We already learned about the aberration. Aberration is the defect in image formed by the optical system. If this defect is due to maybe light or optical system, that is lens. If it is due to light, then it is known as chromatic aberration. If it is due to lens, then it is known as monochromatic aberration. Here monochromatic aberration are 5 types: spherical aberration, astigmatism, curvature, distortion. These are all monochromatic aberration. Even though we use the monochromatic light, we come across some aberrations. Aberration is nothing but defect in image. If we take the point object, then we get the point image only. Instead of getting point image, we get the image other than the point object, that is maybe in shape or size or position. This defect is nothing but aberration. Here our topic is monochromatic aberration. One of the monochromatic aberration, that is comma. In spherical aberration, we already learned that in spherical aberration the point object is on the axis. The point object is on the axis. If in case of comma is also nothing but the spherical aberration. It is also due to monochromatic. Even though we use the monochromatic light, we come across separation like spherical aberration. But in case of comma, here we take the point object just away from the axis. In this case, the image formed by this point object is not point image. This aberration, this defect is nothing but the comma. Okay, understood? Here we take the point object which is just far away from the axis. Here the image formed by this object is like comet shape. తోక చుక్కలా ఉంది చూసారా. సో అందువల్ల దీన్ని chromatic aberration అని అంటారు. In this case, here we take the lens is divided into number of zones like this. Like this. If we take the lens, this lens is divided into number of zones: 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, like this, which are near to the axis, the paraxial rays. These rays are form the image like a small circle. When we go from 1 to 4, these are marginal rays. These are forms the image like a circle, when biggest circle when compared to the 1 1 zone. These are formed like this, like a comet shape. The image is like a comet shape. So it is nothing but chromatic aberration, that is chromatic aberration, comma. How can be eliminated from this effect is here. In case of spherical aberration, here these are the point objects. Here image is like a sphere, blurred, so it is a spherical aberration. In case of comma, here the object are like a point object, but in case of image it is like a comet shape. So this aberration is nothing but comma aberration. How to minimize this chromatic aberration? By using proper stops. That is, we allow only a central zone, not all the zones. That is 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Only we allow only one zone. Then we get the image better than the previous one. But here the drawback is intensity is decreasing. Second one is minimized by designing the suitable shape of materials. That is, if the material has the refractive index 1.5 and radius of curvature, ratio of radius of curvature R1 by R2 is -1/9, the forms an image a finite distance sufficiently from comma. ఇలా మ్యూ అనే రిఫ్రాక్టివ్ ఇండెక్స్ 1.5 ఉండి R1/R2 -1/9 ఉన్నట్లయితే కామాని ఎలిమినేట్ చేయొచ్చు. Comma can be eliminated if the lens satisfies the Abbe's sign condition. What is that Abbe's sign condition? mu1 y1 sin theta 1 equal to mu2 y2 sin theta 2, where mu1 y1 theta 1 refers to the refractive index, height of an object above the axis, and the stop angle of the incident ray of the light respectively. Similarly, mu2 y2 theta 2 refers the refractive index and height of an image and the stop angle of the ray after the image formation. Elimination comma, fourth method is like this: mu1 y1 sin theta 1 equal to mu2 sin y2 sin theta 2. From Abbe's sign condition, y2 by y1 is equal to mu1 sin theta 1 by mu2 sin theta 2. That is, y1 by y2 is the lateral magnification. If this lateral magnification is equal to mu1 sin theta 1 by mu2 sin theta 2, if mu1 equal to mu2, that is, they are the same refractive index. Thus, comma can be eliminated if sin theta 1 by sin theta 2 equal to y2 by y1. This is constant. This is called apollonic lens. The lens satisfying this condition, that is sin theta 1 by sin theta 2 is equal to constant. Which lens obeys this condition known as apollonic lens. By using apollonic lens, we can eliminate the comma. Thank you.